This video is to describe the item detail level screens. So within the hierarchy of the Airlist application, we have categories, which we have 8, we have questions, which we have 100, and then we have items, which we have 941. And that's at launch. We'll be adding to those over the coming years. But if you look at here, we are at the home screen and we're going to go to question H. We're going to click on that, and then on the right, there's a button called Items. We're going to go to Items, and just as an example, we're going to go to item 47. We're going to click on that, and there's a button that says Details. So in addition to conveying the status of it, open, closed, or not applicable, we can also click this last and final button, Details. This takes us to further details of that item that didn't fit within the IDRS structure. So for the IDRS, we tried to cap the length of it so that it would fit into 3 rows, but then also within the application, we have additional details for most or all of the items outside of that we wanted to add into the application just so people could better understand what that is. So here you see that we have maintenance plans for future payments, and then we describe them. And within this screen, we also have 6 buttons at the bottom. So we have the 3 status screens or status buttons, which open, closed, and not applicable. Open means that it's an active item and that you're working on it. Closed means it was an active item and it's been completed. And then not applicable means that it didn't apply to this deceased for whatever reason. The next button after that is a button that takes you back to the store, which is an upgrade for the knowledge base. So in our knowledge base, there are 6 buttons that one can choose with respect to which service you're going to have. It's essentially a basic, premium monthly, premium yearly, and then those same 3 with the knowledge base added onto it. And so you could pick whichever the respective button to add the knowledge base. The knowledge base has at launch 61 files with 559 pages of descriptions of more specifically what the items are, and then details on what you need to do to go resolve them. And then finally, it has a closure question basically establishing if this has been done, if the answer to this is yes, then the item's been completed. It's very useful if you're actually working on a deceased, or if you're a professional working in this area, it's a great resource to have access to. The final 2 buttons are premium service buttons. One is for notes. These are notes that can be added into the application by a user, and that's a premium subscription benefit. And then reports as well. We have 6 different reports with a total of almost 200 pages of details of answers, notes, analysis, percentages complete, anything that you might need with respect to the data that's either been provided by us or input by you. So that is the detailed screen of the Airlist application. And again, categories, questions, items, and this is a detailed page for each specific item that we have. Thank you very much.